Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 12 divided 3 bracket 2 plus 2. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people start solving from left to right and they solve with 12 divided by 3 as 4, then times 2 plus 2, 4 times 2, 8 plus then 4 times 2, 8. They reached at 16. But this is the incorrect approach to solve. You have to follow certain rules, that is order of operation. So in order of operation, it says that PEDMAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, that is bracket. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and if there is no symbol between bracket and a number, that means it's multiplication. So 12 divided by 3 times 4. Now in PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule, from left to right, there is an equal priority of division and multiplication, similarly an addition and subtraction. So you can go from left to right. 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. I know in both the cases the answer is 16. We can solve it from the first way or second way, but no. The first way did not give you always the correct answer because it's not systematically approachable. But if you follow order of operation, you always reach that correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any question, you can comment down below. And if you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See